In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a complete subscription system to your app and take payments with Stripe. Before integrating Stripe, ensure you have a working MGX app. The app is already connected to a Supabase Project, a Stripe account. We will test Stripe in a sandbox environment without real money movement. Okay, tell MGX what you need. For example, add Stripe. Create a payment system that supports 3 subscription plans at $4.99 per week, $14.99 per month, and $149.99 per year. After submitting, MGX will generate configuration buttons. Click the button first. Let's enter the Stripe secret key. Go to Stripe dashboard, copy the secret key, go back to MGX and paste it. Then, we need to enter the price ID for 3 products. Go to Stripe dashboard, click Product Catalog, add a product. Enter the product details and price, add product, and that's how you create a product. Click this product. You can add prices for monthly and yearly subscriptions here. In my case, the only difference between my products is the monthly and yearly price, so I'm just going to create one single product and add a few different prices to it. But if your products are actually different from each other, you'll want to create a separate product for each one just to keep things clear. Alright, let's copy the price ID for each product and paste it into the right spot over in MGX. And finally, we'll just need to enter the Stripe webhook secret key. Go to Stripe dashboard. Down in the bottom left corner, go ahead and click on Developers, Webhooks, Add Destination. Select the 4 events we need. Continue. Choose Webhook Endpoint. Continue. Now we need to add the endpoint URL here. Go to MGX Workspace. Click the Supabase button. Go to the Edge Functions page. Find the one that has Stripe Webhook in its name. Details. The endpoint URL we're looking for is this one over here. Copy it. Go to Stripe dashboard. Paste. Create destination. Okay, so this right here is the Stripe webhook secret key. Go back to MGX Workspace. Paste it. Alright, our Stripe payment feature is ready to go. Let's give it a try. And right here you can see my current subscription status. Click Upgrade. This is where all the plans we created earlier show up. Choose one. For the card number, just enter 4242 4 times. For the rest of the information, you can just make something up. It doesn't really matter since we're just in a test environment. And you can switch Stripe over to the live environment later on. There we go, payment successful. My subscription has been upgraded to Monthly Pro. So that's how we set up Stripe payments. I know it can be a bit tricky, but I'm sure you can do it if you take your time. Now go and give it a try for yourself.